Hi, welcome to another lesson on computing. Today I'm going to be teaching you about databases, and we're going to be setting up a flat file database, populating it with some data in this unit, and we're then going to do some validation and some lookup values. Now I'm going to be creating a database with eSafety resources, and on here I have a file that shows me the different fields I will need to set up. So for example, I need the first field needs to be an ID, and this needs to be unique, so that will have to be a primary key, and a primary key is basically something that is unique for for each record. Then we've got name of resource, and of course duplicates are allowed, so of course that's not unique. Target audience, URL, so the web address, the topic, and comments. So to set this up, I need to first of all load up access. So I'm going to load up access, and we should load this up, okay? Like so. And I'm going to create a blank database, and I will call this eSafety, okay? At the moment, it will save it on the C drive, and ideally I need to save this on my own home drive. So I click the folder, and I of course want to save it on my home drive, but of course I can't do that, so I will save this on my hard disk and press OK. And of course the drive that it's saving to will change, and I click create, and it loads up with this window here. At the top is the bar where is the ribbon where I've got all the options. Then at the side is all where I can find things like the tables, the queries, the forms, and then in the middle is, let's say, where I'm actually working on that particular table, the query, etc. Now the first thing I need to do is I need to now set up a table with the fields that I've got here, and there are 6 fields. So I need to go back to my database, and I need to go Home, View, and Design View, and I will call this TBL eSafety, TBL meaning table, and so press OK. Now looking at the first one here, it says ID. Well, ID is already set, and it has auto number, which is good, and there is a key. And to switch this on or off, I just go design, and I can click primary key, and I'll switch it off, or I can switch it on. And all that means is that is the unique identifier. And for this scenario, that is the unique identifier, so I want that on. Next, I want a field called name of resource, so I type name of resource, and then target audience, okay. Then let's go down here. You have URL, then topic, then comments. So URL, then topic, then comments. Now we've identified the fields, and then we have the data types, and this is the type of data I'm going to store. Now an ID is a number, and of course it's going to be automatic, so that's a suitable field there to have, a suitable data type. Name of resource, of course name is written, so the choice I have is text, long text, which is memo, number, date, time, currency, yes, no, which is Boolean, hyperlinks. And so I know for a name it's going to be a short text. And that will be the same for target audience. But URL is going to be a hyperlink because I want it to be a link to to a website. So I change this to hyperlink. Topic will be a text, but comments could be slightly longer. So I can put that to a long text, which is also known as a memo. Okay? So I've now done my fields and my data types. So I'm going to right click, save, right click, close. And that is us setting up the fields and the data types for this eSafety table. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and comment, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.